Hello and welcome. If you're just joining us, this is Victor Shamaki YouTube channel. Here we teach you from church media to graphics to video to online registration and research methodology and all of that. So this is my personal YouTube channel where I share my personal knowledge on how to do a lot of things. So if you're just joining us, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and then leave us a warm comment. All right. So today we're going to look at church media, and we're looking at how to connect Bible show to vMix, and then we're going to do that on the lower third, that is, want to display it under, and then we'll do that. Also, we'll just connect the whole thing. So we'll be needing the options, which is where we used in the last video we looked at, and then let's leave the auto playback so that we have a full screen. Okay, so now when you come to configure and you know that our NDI is still set up and we've done all of that setting is still there, so the next thing we need to do is to turn on our vMix, which I have already on. So as long as your vMix is on, you just need to go to add input. I say vMix, your NDI function is on there, so you go to NDI. So it's going to load, and then it's going to bring out the Bible slideshow. So you see it. I'm just going to click on OK, and then it's going to be inside here. So whatever you're showing at that place will be showing right here. So I'm just going to go back, and because I'm not putting on scripture yet, that's why I see it like that. So if I'll select which version of the Bible I want. Let me use the Message, and I'm going to use Matthew. I'm going to use Matthew chapter 11, verse 24. I'm just going to click on play. So it's not showing. Okay, so let's first put in the background we want first. So I'm just going to bring the background. So, and the judgment day they will get off easy compared to you. Wow. So let's go back to this. You see that we have our scripture display here and all of that. So this is how you can connect them. If you have two systems, you have to connect using just the same NDI. Once it's done, I can still search and see it from here. And then let's want to bring it as, let me bring a video in so that we illustrate it more. All right, let's illustrate that more with a video. Okay, let's have this. I'm just going to bring this video, just one. So let's illustrate it more. Okay, so we'll go back, and then we'll illustrate it with a lower third. So I'm going to go to Team, and I'm going to just select this. Yes, don't use it. So it's back here. So, and then we'll just go back to Easy Worship, and lo and behold, we see, let's put this video.
Hello, I'm Stephen Ballast. Welcome to the YOLO Live channel.
We're going to see
in this video, I'm going to walk you through the new YOLOcast platform. YOLOcast is a live streaming service from YOLO Live that gives you a platform to build your live streaming experience for your viewers.
Basically how you
It's really hard to describe all that YOLOcast can do in a brief statement. It's a platform that you can stream, host, schedule, and monetize all in one place. Some say it's sort of like YouTube, but it's ad-free and it gives you more control.
And I will see you.
My hope is that over the course of this video, you'll not only learn how to use many of the capabilities of YOLOcast,